In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, has become an increasingly powerful tool for managing our personal finances. From streamlining investment decisions to optimizing budgeting and saving, AI-powered solutions can provide valuable insights and automate tedious tasks, freeing up time and energy to focus on achieving our financial goals. We'll explore 5 practical ways you can leverage AI to improve your finances and build long-term wealth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your existing strategies, these AI-powered techniques can help you make more informed decisions, save money, and ultimately, achieve financial freedom. 1. Harnessing AI for search and Q&A. One of the most straightforward ways to utilize AI in your financial planning is by tapping into the power of large language models, such as Claude AI, to answer your financial questions and provide personalized guidance. Gone are the days of scouring the internet for reliable information and piecing together the answers to your financial queries. With AI-powered search and Q&A, you can simply ask your questions and receive comprehensive, up-to-date responses tailored to your specific situation. Basic financial questions. Whether you're wondering about your Roth IRA contribution limits or seeking guidance on how to invest in your 401k, AI can provide clear, concise answers, often with links to authoritative sources for further research. Follow-up inquiries. One of the key advantages of AI-powered Q&A is the ability to engage in a back-and-forth dialogue, asking follow-up questions to delve deeper into the topic at hand. This interactive approach can help you gain a more thorough understanding of complex financial concepts. Personalized recommendations. By providing context about your financial situation, such as your age, income, and risk tolerance, AI can offer personalized recommendations on investment strategies, retirement planning, and other financial decisions. By leveraging AI for search and Q&A, you can save time, access reliable information, and make more informed financial choices, all without the need for extensive financial expertise. 2. Investing in your 401k with AI assistance. Navigating the maze of investment options within a 401k plan can be daunting, especially for those new to investing. Fortunately, AI can lend a helping hand in this process, providing guidance and recommendations to ensure your 401k portfolio is aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can upload screenshots of your 401k investment options and receive personalized portfolio recommendations. These recommendations can include the optimal allocation across different fund types, such as index funds, growth-oriented funds, and bond funds, as well as the specific percentages to allocate to each. Moreover, AI can provide valuable insights into the performance of your recommended portfolio, including how it would have fared during past market downturns, such as the Great Recession. This historical context can help you assess the resilience of the portfolio and make more informed decisions about your 401k investments. To get started, you can use the Monarch Money Budgeting app, which offers a 50% discount on the first year after a 7-day free trial using the code MONARCHVIP. Monarch Money's AI-powered features can help you optimize your 401k investments and track your overall financial progress. 3. Understanding financial software with AI. Financial planning and analysis tools, such as Projection Lab, can provide valuable insights into your financial situation, but navigating these complex software platforms can be a challenge. This is where AI can step in to help you better understand and leverage these powerful tools. By uploading screenshots of your financial software interfaces, you can ask AI-powered assistants to explain the various components and features of the software. This can include understanding the inputs, outputs, and underlying calculations, as well as identifying any potential areas for optimization or improvement. For example, when using Projection Lab, a retirement planning tool, you can ask the AI assistant to analyze your growth assumptions, dividend yields, and other key inputs to ensure they are reasonable and aligned with your financial goals. The AI can provide an assessment of these inputs, offering valuable feedback to help you refine your financial projections and make more informed decisions. By leveraging AI to better understand your financial software, you can unlock the full potential of these tools, making the most of their features and insights to enhance your overall financial planning and decision-making process. 4. Utilizing AI to optimize your budgeting and savings. Budgeting and saving are essential components of a healthy financial plan, and AI can play a significant role in streamlining these tasks and helping you achieve your financial objectives. One way to leverage AI for budgeting and savings is by integrating it with your financial software, such as Monarch Money. By connecting your bank and credit card accounts, AI-powered budgeting tools can automatically categorize your expenses, track your spending patterns, and provide personalized insights to help you identify areas for potential savings. Moreover, AI can assist you in finding better deals on your recurring expenses, such as your internet, cable, and streaming service providers. By analyzing your current bills and comparing them to available promotions and discounts, AI can suggest ways to lower your monthly costs, helping you save money without sacrificing the services you need. Additionally, AI can help you optimize your savings strategies by analyzing your income, expenses, and financial goals. It can provide recommendations on the optimal allocation of your savings, whether it's contributing more to your emergency fund, increasing your retirement contributions, or exploring alternative investment opportunities. By integrating AI into your budgeting and savings processes, you can streamline your financial management, identify areas for improvement, and make more informed decisions to achieve your long-term financial objectives. 5. Tapping into AI for retirement planning. Retirement planning is a critical aspect of financial management, and AI can play a significant role in helping you navigate this complex landscape. From determining the optimal time to claim Social Security benefits to projecting your long-term investment growth, AI-powered tools can provide valuable insights and personalized recommendations. One example of leveraging AI for retirement planning is using the Boldin retirement planning tool. Boldin, which is considered one of the most robust retirement planners available at a reasonable cost, utilizes AI to analyze your current financial situation, retirement goals, and various scenarios to help you develop a comprehensive retirement plan. Another tool that can benefit from AI integration is Capitalize, which specializes in 401k rollovers. By leveraging AI, Capitalize can streamline the rollover process, ensuring your retirement assets are transferred efficiently and securely without the need for extensive manual effort on your part. Additionally, AI can assist in understanding the critical inputs for retirement planning, such as the discount rate used in Social Security claiming strategies. By providing explanations and guidance on these technical concepts,